Aluminum extruded frame for light bulbs. The aluminum profile is widely used in advertisement light bulbs with beautiful and generous characteristics. The folding box can be folded into a specific shape with a special bending machine. It can be folded into a square, circular, oval, and so on. It is widely used in the production of plastic lamp bulbs. T-slot aluminum extrusion profile system has applied to machine building, aluminum framework, automation industrial, material handling, belt conveyor system, and machine safety guarding and enclosures. Modular aluminum structures offer high flexibility and functionality, combined with visual appeal and cleanliness of the anodized surface. T-slot aluminum profiles offer several benefits. The shape of the profile creates modularity, meaning it's easily assembled and reassembled to conform to evolving needs. The T-slot also provides the ability to add connections and join profiles to captive ends. This allows you to change your design without having to start from scratch, and also enables easy expansion and retraction of your build for modification down the road. The use of aluminum alloy radiators is specially designed to extract heat from components in electronic equipment, and we accept customized services. In general, the heat sinks are polished, and more importantly, they can be anodized or powder coated to improve surface protection and corrosion resistance.